homebeerbrewery.
Hello BrewTubers, and thanks for tuning in again on homebeerbrewery's channel. Here I'm holding a Citra IPA that I brewed myself. I bottled it on the 30th of May this year, 2019. As a lot of subscribers of my channel know, I like to make things myself, like beer, but also I own a greenhouse and like to grow my own vegetables and herbs, but also making electronics and drones, make my own fireworks and igniters. And a big hobby of me now is also model rockets. I didn't show you any videos of it yet, but maybe in the future. But first of all, this is a beautiful Citra IPA that I brewed myself. Cheers! It's unbox time. Check this out. This, guys, is my own popcorn maker. It's a big one. As I told you earlier, I like to make things myself, so also the snacks. Enjoying a homebrew watching other YouTube videos or a movie is nice, but with your own popcorn it makes the day even more better, don't you think? Unbox knife. Let's see what's inside this big box. It's a big machine. A lot of styrofoam. It's well packaged. Well, how can we pull this up? I always wanted a machine like this. Oh, it's so nice. Another dream came true. Check this out. Well, here we have it. It all looks nice and shiny. All the glass is intact. No dents, no scratches. It looks fine to me. Let's take it out of the bag. Here we go. So what you see is actually the rear of the popcorn maker. I'll pick the camera up. I'm going to put you down. And this is the front of the popcorn maker. It's fully made out of glass. Tempered glass, so it won't break that easy, but I'm very happy it came undamaged. Hey, even a measuring cup and a shovel is provided. A scoop, I have to say. Well, it's a heavy machine. I guess it's about 22 kilograms. It's nice and steady. Materials look solid to me. Check this out. There's a magnet. Yeah, a magnet on top of it. And the stirring mechanism is inside. Don't know if you can see it. There we go. Let's see if the lights works. Yes, we have power. First I'm going to clean this machine very well before I'm going to use it. And this popcorn maker came very fast to my address. Now I have to wait for the shipment with the corn kernels, sugars and salts and caramels flavorings that I ordered. Tomorrow they will be arriving at my home, and I will skip this video for one day, and then we have a cleaned and fully unboxed and prepared popcorn maker to make my own popcorn for the first time. Can't wait. And it's the next day. My package arrived with all the ingredients that I need for my first popcorn. First of all, popping oil, corn kernels, popcorn sugar. It's different than normal table sugar. And I have two types of flavorings. But for the first time I'm just going to make sweet popcorn and not using the flavorings. And of course a big bag of 200 small bags for the popcorn to serve them. It's nice for the kids and myself, of course. Here I have already measured out 30 milliliters of popping oil, about 80 grams of corn kernels, and about 30 grams of popcorn sugar. That's everything that I'm going to need for this first batch of popcorn. Of course I'm going to change the recipe a little bit over the time, but this is just the first time. Let's switch on the popcorn maker. First of all I'm going to open the lid. There's a magnet on top of it so it holds the lid. Adding the oil. About 30 milliliters. About 80 grams of corn kernels. And 30 grams of sugar. Here we go. Closing the lid. Closing the popcorn maker. And here we go. Switching on the light. There's a 100-watt light bulb in it, so it will keep the popcorn warm. Switching on the heat element. It has about 1500 watt element, so this small kettle will heat up pretty fast. And I already added the ingredients, so it's very important to turn on the mixer. So it's going to stir the ingredients. Now we have to wait till it pops. It will take about approximately 1.5 minutes to about 2 minutes. Yeah, first pop. Do you hear that? My first popcorn. Well, no popping sound anymore. I'm going to turn off the heat. And the steering mechanism. As you can see, oh, it smells really like popcorn in there. Check this out. Here we go. I waited slightly too long to turn off the heating element, but check this out, guys. This is my first homemade popcorn. This smell, guys, smells like a movie theater. This is perfect. I will tell you something about the type of corn kernels that I use. As you can see, the popped corn kernels are round shaped. The reason for that is that I used the type of corn kernels called mushroom. They stay in shape like the corn kernel, just round, like you see in most of the movie theaters and in the grocery stores. You have also other types like the butterfly corn kernels, but they aren't round shaped. I really like this. I guess I need another batch. Let's fill this guy up again and make another pot. Thank you guys for watching this video. Cheers, and remember, nothing is better than a good homebrew, but also homemade popcorn. Cheers. Let's edit this video. Homebrew. Check. Popcorn. Check.